Brother Furnace has been specializing in high-temperature electric furnaces for over 20 years. Our main products include vacuum furnaces, muffle furnaces, tube furnaces, atmosphere furnaces, and debinding sintering furnaces, widely used in research, laboratories, and industrial production. With a team of experienced engineers, we offer customized solutions to meet diverse application needs. Our 10,000 square meter self-owned facility ensures strict quality control and reliable delivery throughout the entire production process. Exported to over 110 countries and certified by CE, ISO, and other international standards, our products are trusted worldwide. Brother Furnace, your reliable partner in high-temperature equipment.